morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kumar. Welcome to my channel, Africano's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make one appetizer. It's called kebeh or raw kebeh. Ingredient: we're gonna need bulgur, meat, salt and pepper, 7 spices, pepper paste, and onion. We're gonna soak the bulgur. I used here the fine bulgur, number 1, I believe. I soak it in very hot water. I'm adding now some salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon pepper, and half a teaspoon 7 spices. Mix them together. I'm gonna leave them for maybe 10 minutes until the bulgur soak all the hot water and become a little bit tender. Now I'm gonna add the meat, the ground beef. We can use also ground lamb. I'm adding also the smashed onion or the shredded onion, and also the pepper paste. I think this pepper paste is mixed with tomato paste too. And now we're gonna start mixing the bulgur and the meat together, and we're gonna make them as a dough. So we're gonna keep kneading the dough until the bulgur and meat combine together. And you cannot see the meat, it's gonna be like one unit together. So like making a dough, of course we don't need yeast or milk or anything. We just need to knead it very well. So yeah, if you are mad, if you fight with your husband, if you fight with your kids, if you fight with your boss, go home and make a dough and keep hitting this dough until all your anger go away. No, seriously, this is a great idea if someone is mad. Making a dough is really fun to me. You don't need to scream or yell on anyone. Just go make a dough and you satisfy yourself and you satisfy the people around you. Yeah, I have lots of anger. So I put it in this dough. Look, I punch it. And I'm gonna slap it a lot. Oh my God. Yeah, it's gonna take it's very important to make kebeh is to mix it well and knead it well with hands or with a machine. Today I'm not using a machine because I wanna show you how easy to make this. Even if you make a machine, you have to knead it well with hands. This dish is an appetizer, but we're not gonna cook this dough, so the meat gonna be raw. There is people don't like to eat raw meat, so there is another way. I will make it next time how to make kebeh or raw kebeh without meat, but this is the origin one. So now it's done. So to make our food more fun, more satisfied, everyone gonna love it, especially Halloween in a few days, and this is my best holiday, me and my daughter, and I think everyone. So I like to make the food like more appetizing, more fun. I'm gonna put it in this cake pan. I'm gonna give it the shape of this cake pan to match with this occasion. So I'm gonna start to put this dough inside it. So first I used, you can use a plastic bag or any plastic you have. I'm using this one because I don't want the dough to stick inside the pan. And I'm gonna try to make it exactly looks like this pan. It's gonna look like a cake, a really fun cake, but it's not a cake, it's a real food. It's an appetizer. This appetizer, by the way, from Damascus, Syria, Lebanon, maybe Palestine. I'm not 100% sure if they also have it in Jordan. We have it almost in every holiday or maybe party, or this is really main appetizer in Syria and Lebanon. So yeah, I'm trying my best to give it the shape of the pan, the cake pan. Yeah, look at the eyes, beautiful. You see how angry I'm hitting, slapping the face. Oh gosh. And you know the best part, she's not gonna say anything. She will let me slap it all the time. So that's how I'm gonna make everyone love how to cook. See, it looks fun. So I cover it because I was inviting my friends, so I cover it. I put it in the fridge. If you don't cover it, it will get dry. And now I'm gonna put it and garnish it, make it ready to eat. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful eyes, beautiful mouth. Look at this big smile. So it's very important to make your dish look good, to use multiple colors. Green color is very important. I prefer to have it in every dish. I'm using parsley. Parsley works very well with kebeh. So I'm gonna put it around, and I'm using brown color for the presentation of the platter. And of course this one, I'm gonna use pomegranate. And you can also, when you eat it, you can add also pomegranate paste and extra virgin olive oil. But I'm not gonna put it on the top, I'm gonna put it on the side. Anyone can put it on his plate. So the plate is ready, look at that. 4 more colors because we are in fall, so I'm adding some orange. This is bell pepper. It just to garnish it, make it looks like so pretty. Yeah, it's done. Bon appetit. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you soon with more dishes. Bye bye.